Alright, so Samsung's clearly not playing around with the Galaxy S26 series. You can tell they got their sights locked straight on Apple's brand new iPhone 17 lineup. And from what we're hearing, the main battleground is video. Apple's been flexing with ProRes for years, but Samsung might be about to one-up them with something way more interesting. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. Like Your Ice Universe says the Galaxy S26 lineup could be the first phones to ship with something called APV, or Advanced Professional Video Codec. Sounds fancy, right? It basically launched back in 2023, got baked into Android 16 earlier this year, and now Samsung wants to make it a headliner on their next flagships. Think of it like Apple's ProRes, but smarter. Here's the kicker. AP isn't just about giving creators pro-level control. It's supposed to be way more efficient. We're talking around 20% better storage efficiency than HEVC or even ProRes. Translation, you get sharper detail, richer colors, smoother highlights and shadows, but without your phone screaming for storage space after 5 clips. That's a pretty sweet trade-off. And it doesn't stop at efficiency. APV is rumored to deliver 12-bit color depth, HDR10 and HDR10 Plus support, log capture for color grading, and even 4:4 4-chroma subsampling. For anyone who edits video, that basically means buttery smooth gradients, scary accurate colors, and total freedom when it comes to tweaking footage afterward. Oh, and get this, it even supports stereoscopic 3D recording, which could play directly into Samsung's upcoming XR headset. Imagine shooting video that you can literally step into later. Now, if you're not the type to spend 3 hours color grading, Samsung's reportedly gonna make it dead simple. They'll include LUTs directly inside the gallery and studio apps so you can apply cinematic looks on the fly and export without even touching a laptop. For creators, that's gold. Performance-wise, leaks say APV supports multiple resolutions and frame rates. Full HD up to 100 frames per second, 4K up to 100 frames per second, and even 8K at 25 frames per second. That's a lot of horsepower in your pocket, especially for mobile filmmaking. And Samsung's not just stopping at the codec. There's also talk of a horizon lock feature, basically giving you GoPro-like stability so your videos stay level no matter how shaky your hands are. Add in some smaller upgrades like multi-page document scanning and better motion photo controls, and you're looking at a phone that's not just catching up to Apple, it's trying to leave them in the dust. So yeah, it feels like the S26 series is being built with creators in mind. Apple may have owned the ProRes bragging rights, but APV could shift the balance in a big way. The question is, will this actually give Samsung the edge, or will Apple still manage to hold the crown? What do you think? Is Samsung finally ready to take the video game seriously, or is this just another spec sheet flex that nobody really uses? Drop your thoughts below, and of course, stick around because we got way more Galaxy S26 leaks on the way. I'll catch you in the next one.